Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Snapchat. For that, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the blue tab that says sign up, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll need to enter your first name and your last name. When you are done, tap on sign up and accept. Select your birth year, birth month and birthday and select continue. Snapchat will now suggest you a username. If you want to change it, tap on change my username and then create a username. Now create a password. Be sure to create a strong password of at least 8 characters. When you are done, tap on continue. Here you can see that you can sign up with email address or your phone number. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Snapchat with email address. For that, enter your email address and when you're done, tap on continue. If you want to add friends, tap on continue. If not, tap on this option which is on top right of your screen. This way you can sign up on Snapchat. Now, you can take a picture or video, add filter, lenses or other effects and share them with friends. How to sign in to your Snapchat account? For that, firstly, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of login at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Enter your username or your email address, or if you want to use your phone number to log in, tap on use phone number instead. Then enter the password associated with your account. After you are done, tap on the blue tab that says login. This way you can sign in to your Snapchat account. Now you can take pictures, videos, add filters, lenses or other effects and share them with your friends.
How to make a group on Snapchat. By adding people to a group, you can easily chat with everyone all at once, like so as in any other social media. Now in order to create a group on Snapchat, you simply need to tap on this chat option on the bottom right here, which is in blue, and then tap on this option which says new group. You can add up to 100 people in a particular group. Before you add people, you also would want to add in a name of the group. After that is done, you can now start adding people. To add people, you can simply tap on their names and they will be selected. Now after that, you can tap on chat with the group on the bottom. And after you do that, you will successfully create your own group on Snapchat.
How you can create a public profile on Snapchat. Now, to create a public profile on Snapchat, firstly open your Snapchat application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on Create Public Profile. Tap on Continue and on Get Started to create your public profile. It will create your public profile in no time. You can add stories, spotlight or insights to your public profile of Snapchat. You can also edit or preview your Snap's public profile. To add a story on your public profile, click on New Story.
How to change your Snapchat's password? For that, firstly open up your Snapchat app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon which is on top left of your screen. After that, tap on the settings icon which is on top right. Under my account section, there you'll see the option of password. Tap on it. Enter your current password, then tap on continue. After that, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. When you are done, tap on save.
How you can block someone on Snapchat. Now, to block someone on your Snapchat application, open your Snapchat. You will appear on the Snap section where you can take snap and send it to other Snap users. Swipe to the right side of the screen. Click on the icon of a person to whom you want to block or long press on person snaps, then click on Manage Friendship. Among the options popped up, click on block. Confirm blocking person by tapping on block once again. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat quickly and easily just in few steps.
How to get streaks back on Snapchat. So for that you can just open up your Snapchat, and from here tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, and then tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right. From here you just scroll down, and under support you tap on I need help. After that it's going to take you to the support section of Snapchat. You just need to tap on contact us, and from this options you just choose I've lost my snap streak. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down you'll have a form that you can fill up. Now your email address and your username will be added in automatically. You just need to type in all the information. So your mobile number, including your country code, the device that you're using to use Snapchat, the friend's username that you lost the snap streak with, the day of having the issue, and you'll also need to enter in your snap score. Now in this option which says did you see the icon, you just tap on no, and you'll need to enter in your description of what happened. Now you can type in your description. I wrote something like this. You can also copy some of it if you want, and you just tap on send. Now once you send the report, Snapchat will contact you on your email address, and once the problem is fixed you should be able to get back your streak on your Snapchat within 24 to 48 hours. How to turn on Snapchat dark mode. As you all know, there is no option to turn on the dark mode on your Android device. People who have iOS can easily do it within their phones, but if you're using an Android, what you need to do is open up the settings of your phone. Nowadays every Android phone has an option called dark mode, which you turn on, your applications will also be turned on dark mode. So for that you just search for dark mode on the search bar if you can't find it on the options, and just tap open this application. Once you do, you'll also have an option of choosing the applications to turn on or turn off dark mode on. Mine is inside more dark mode options. Here it gives me all of the applications that I have installed on my device on which I can turn on dark mode. So you just find the application of Snapchat and you toggle this option on. Now this option could or could not work depending upon your device. So if you toggle this option on, you can try to check if it works for you. I have seen it work on some devices and not work on the other. So check if it works for you.
How to play games on Snapchat. Now let's head over to the video. Firstly, open up the Snapchat app. Now from your home screen, tap on chat section on the bottom of your screen. Now to play the games, you can create a group by tapping on this icon, picking the people that you want to play games with, name a group, and tap on chat with group. But if you want to play a game with a friend, then head over to the chat section with that friend, and then tap on this little rocket icon, and then choose a game that you and your friend want to play. Then tap on it, and then you can play the game. And just like that, you can play games on Snapchat. How to delete all Snapchat messages. Firstly, open up the Snapchat app and then head over to your profile by tapping on Bitmoji on the top left of your screen. As you landed on your profile section, tap on gear icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you can see clear conversation option. Tap on it. Once you get into the clear conversation section, tap on this icon and again tap on clear button, and then your conversation with that person will be cleared. Do same as for all the messages that you want to delete, and go back to the home screen and head over to the chat section, and then you can see the person that we have deleted is no more in our chat section. How to do a poll on Snapchat. Open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Now capture a photo or video, or simply you can pick one from your gallery. After that, tap on pencil icon on the bottom left of the screen. Now from this page, tap on sticker icon and from there tap on poll option. Now you can ask a question whatever you want to, and you can also change emojis by tapping on it and pick emojis that you want to keep. After you're done with it, press on tick button on the bottom right. You can drag and place wherever you want to, and also can resize this. And you can also add on some text, music to it, and once you're done with editing, tap on next button, and here you can pick particular friend that you want to share with, or you can simply tap on my story to share this with everyone, and then tap on send on the bottom right of the screen, and then head over to your profile and check the story.
How to block someone on Snapchat. Open up your app of Snapchat. Now in order to block someone, all you need to do is tap and hold on their chat, and then you'll see a bunch of options. You need to tap on the first one, which is manage friendship. Now after you do that, you'd be able to see few options such as report, block or remove friend. Now if you want to completely block them, you can tap on the second option, but if you want to just remove them as your friends on Snapchat, you can also do that through this option. But if you want to completely block them, you can tap on block and tap on block again. And just like that, you successfully blocked someone on Snapchat. How to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you have previously tried to unblock someone, you must have tried to search their usernames, but you may have noticed that you wouldn't see their usernames because they have been blocked from your profile and you wouldn't be able to see them. Now to unblock them, you can simply head over to your profile section on the top left and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom where you have an option of blocked. Right here you can tap on blocked, and on the block section you'll be able to see all the people that you've blocked. Now to simply unblock them, you can tap on this cross besides their name and tap on yes. And there you go. Now that person has been unblocked from your profile. How to delete someone on Snapchat. To delete someone or to remove someone on Snapchat, all you need to do is tap and hold on their names on the chat section and then tap on manage friendship. Now after you do that, a few settings will open up: report, block and remove friend. If you are annoyed and if you want to completely block them, you can also do that by tapping on the block option, but for now if you want to only remove and delete them, you can tap on remove friend and tap on remove. Now as soon as you do that, you can see they have been removed and deleted from your friend section on Snapchat. How to change Snapchat notification sound. Firstly, you'd want to head over to the settings of your device and then simply search for apps on the search bar. And you'll find an option of manage apps, or you can directly search for manage apps also. After you do that, it will show you all of the apps that have been installed on your phone. Now you simply need to find Snapchat and enter it. Now from here you'll see an option of notification. Every phone will have a different interface, but all you need to do is find an option of notification in this interface. After you tap on that, you'll need to scroll down, tap on the option which says snaps and chats. Now here you can see that the sound is added as generic push, which means that the default sound of Snapchat. Now you can change it by tapping on it. Now it will take you to the section where you can add and choose in your sound which you like. Tap on the sound that you like and the sound will be added just like that. How to unpin someone on Snapchat. If you think that this video is going to be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get straight into it. It's quite easy to unpin someone. It's the same process as when you pin someone on Snapchat. Open up your Snapchat and then open up the chat section. Now all of your pinned messages will show up on top and will have a pin icon right here. Now in order to remove the pin, you can tap and hold the app and tap on more. Now you'll have a few options. Along with that, you'll see an option of unpin conversation, which would be the fourth option. You simply tap on that, and as soon as you do that, you can see that the message has now been unpinned. That's all. That's how easily you can unpin someone on Snapchat. If you guys found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Along with that, also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.